The city of Temple, Texas has expanded its parking to accommodate the growing needs of residents and visitors. This 6-story, 2-bay structure has a ground level dedicated to mixed-use storefront retail, with levels 2 through 6 allocated for parking. The 144,000 square feet of suspended double T's are accessed by a speed ramp and can accommodate over 400 vehicles. The precast scope included 605 pieces of precast prestressed concrete, all delivered and erected ahead of schedule and within budget. Precast manufacturer Legacy Precast was brought onto the team to aid in design-build work. Though the construction team had to overcome issues with underground utility relocation and the original precast schedule was pushed out, the timetable was readapted and pieces were delivered to the site as they were needed for installation. An important design element in this mixed-use garage was waterproofing the field-topped double T system at the first suspended level to protect the retail space below. The main architectural finishes that bring the structure to life include an architectural concrete mix design with a medium sandblast finish, cast-in thin brick featuring 2 distinct brick patterns, running bond and basket weave, and multiple face projections, eyebrows, recesses, and reveals. By incorporating these architectural finishes into the precast concrete, the team was able to control costs and maintain the overall design intent, while meeting the schedule for installation. This precast parking structure is an essential piece in the overall infrastructure of the city, and will continue to support both parking and economic needs as Temple continues to grow.